Possible ba na mag-invest sa stock market pero merong fund manager na mag-i-invest on your behalf? Katulad ito ng tanong ni Kididoy27, sagutin natin. A quick answer here is pwedeng-pwede ito. Let me try and explain how. By the way, Mike nga pala of Stocksilog where I teach you how to make money sa stock market. So yes, pwede ka magkaroon ng fund manager dito sa stock market but syempre with a fee. And this is called the mutual fund. Sa mutual fund kasi, iniipon lahat ng mga investors' capital and then merong naka-assign dito na isang fund manager. Si fund manager siya yung mag-i-invest on your behalf. Itong mutual fund na ito ay ideal para dun sa mga sobrang baguhan pa lang or mga even OFW na walang time nga na mag-invest directly sa stock market and instead gusto nilang ipahawak sa isang professional yung kanilang hard-earned money para i-invest sa stock market. And this mutual fund facility is also available sa ilan sa mga stock broker accounts natin. Here's an example using yung Dragonfy na stock broker account ko. And as I've mentioned, isa ito sa mga stock brokers that enables you to invest sa mga mutual fund, no? And you can access those by going to funds, ito. Ayan. And then ito yung mga listahan ng mga funds or mutual funds na available dito sa Dragonfy. Most of them are coming from Manulife. Okay? Now, if you are someone who would like to invest in mutual fund na yung coverage is invested in global technology na mga companies like for example, sina Intuit, si Microsoft, si Apple, and iba pa, then my suggestion here is etong si Manulife Global Technology Equity Feeder Fund. Kita nyo naman yung kanyang movement, di ba? Ang ganda. To know more kung anong mga companies yung pinag-i-investan neto ni Manulife, ayan, just simply go to or scroll down below and then ito siya. No? You can also check the prospectus here. There you go, na-download ko na siya. So ito yon. Loading, ayan. So again, this is the Manulife Global Technology Equity Feeder Fund. Yan. So currently, they are invested in the following. Scroll down ko lang dito. Kita nyo yung top holdings. So they have Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, ASML, Synopsys, Apple, at marami pang iba. If you want to invest dito sa ganitong mutual fund, simply go back doon sa ating Dragonfy na application and then from here, just click on that buy button. Ayan. So as you can see, the minimum amount here is just 1,000 pesos. And currently, meron akong available na balance na around 11,000 dito. So let's say for example, I wanted to buy 5,000 pesos worth. Ayan. Done ko lang siya dito. There you go. And then click that next button. Ayan, papakita niya sa inyo kung magkano no, yung kanyang indicative unit here at saka yung NAV po. Just simply hit that confirm button. There you go. And then fund order has been created. There you go. And then the buy order has been submitted. As you can see, hindi lang stocks ang available sa ating mga stockbroker. Even mutual fund are available na rin. So what do you think? Is mutual fund a go or no go?